Good morning, YouTube. This is Empress Sweet here, back with another video. Happy Saturday. Sorry if I sound a little groggy or something. I haven't been too long, got up, and I was sleeping good. I didn't want to get up, but I didn't want to lay down too late because I have some essential items that I need to run out and get before they get gone. You know how that is, especially with COVID going on, this pandemic. But I'm sure you read the title. I'm gonna be doing a video today on giving y'all my feedback on 1-800 contacts. I want to let y'all know up front, this is not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to do this. I purchased these contacts with my own coins, my own money. So again, it's not a sponsored video. And this is my second time purchasing contacts from them. And if I had to rate them from 1 to 10, y'all, I probably would get them like a 10, honestly. I mean, my personal experience has been phenomenal with them. I mean, starting from the customer service. The customer service is great. They're very patient. What they're gonna do is, ask you for your prescription order. I think they'll allow you to like take a picture of it with your phone, or you can give some type of verbal order. But what they're gonna do is reach out to your ophthalmologist, I think that's eye doctor, and just kind of confirm with them the prescription that you gave them is accurate, because they want to make sure you're getting the correct prescription for your eyes. And their shipping is pretty quick too, y'all. I think the last order I did probably like a week or so ago, and excuse me, I placed it like on a Thursday afternoon. Y'all, I want to say sorry, y'all. I had my prescriptions like that Monday or Tuesday. I mean, it was just super fast. Super fast. So I'm trying to think. Another thing what I love about them, they match prices. So say you go to I don't know about retail stores, they may, but I know like if you go online and you see another you see another store online or something, let's just say, what's some other contact lens kings, I think that's another website. And say you go to them and you find a better deal, but you really want to give 1-800 contacts a try, they'll match the price. They'll match the price the exact same. So that's another thing that I love about them. Like I say, this is my second time. My first initial pair, my contacts were great. I didn't have any issues with them, and I want to go ahead and show y'all the kind that I wear. I wear Biofinity. If you can see that, Biofinity. When I first started wearing contacts, because I haven't been wearing them that long, it happened to work out where I was able to get the same prescription for both eyes. This time I couldn't do that. It's still the same brand. It's just I don't know. Let me wash my hands, y'all. Sorry. I try not to. This is what I do. I hadn't been too long, got out the shower, so I'm good. I don't like to dry my hands with paper towel, because I don't want that lint to get off on my contacts and then to get on my eyeball, and I just can't stand it. So I just kind of rub my arms just a little bit to get that off. But okay, I'm about to put the left eye in. See, y'all see it on my finger? This is my left eye, and I'm getting ready to put it in. I'll be back. Okay, I got my left eye in. So what I want to do, I just want to go ahead and put the lid back over the one for the left eye so I won't get it confused. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to put in the one for the right eye, which is the Biofinity Toric. And I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm just pouring like the excess solution into the lens cup pad or whatever you call it thing, where you keep your contact lens in. Okay, I'm about to put the right one in. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I am back. I have both of them in. So, right, it takes a few minutes for for them to settle in your eyes. But I mean, like I was saying, they feel pretty good. No issues. I can see fine. Like I say, I love the Biofinity brand. And I love 1-800-CONTACTS. Thank y'all so much. Well, I'm going to go ahead, y'all, because I need to run out and get some essential items, as I said. So if you don't mind, if you could comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back later on. If not today, which I seriously doubt, I'll upload another video. But if not tomorrow, definitely next week, one day next week, to show y'all some more shoes. And don't forget to check out my other videos of the shoes that I have. So again, this is Empress Sweet. Y'all stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.